What tools do I use to service geothermal equipment in the field? Today I'm going to go over the service tool kit that I use from GeoHydro Supply. We're going to cover each tool, what it does, why it matters, and if you need a service tool kit because you're working on some geothermal equipment, I'm going to give you a discount so you can go to GeoHydro Supply and save some money. These are the tools in my service tool kit. First, we have our glass instrument known as the hydrometer. Then we have our digital thermometer. Then we've got our pressure gauge with needle adapter and our Gooser or loop gooser. What does each tool do and why does it matter? This is the hydrometer. This is for taking the loop fluid, measuring it and seeing what the specific gravity is of that fluid. Then we can tell how much antifreeze we have in our closed loop geothermal system. We have to have the right amount of concentration. If we have too much antifreeze, it can cause poor performance or poor heat transfer. If we don't have enough antifreeze, it can cause our loop to freeze. Our temperature probe allows us to measure the entering and leaving water temperature at the coaxial heat exchanger so that we can calculate the heat transfer. And we can actually know if our geothermal system is moving energy. The pressure gauge allows me to verify loop pressure. I use the needle adapter on the end, I place it inside of a PT port, and then I can verify loop pressure, see the flow, make sure that we don't have low fill, and I can diagnose flow problems. The Gooser is our loop pressurization tool. We can quickly put this into the PT port and we can add water instead of having a flush cart, so we can top off the system if we need to. If you want to learn more about servicing geothermal units, I've got a playlist on my YouTube channel called Geothermal Training. Check out that playlist. There's even members only content if you want to dive in and get more advanced with how to use a flush cart or maybe how to use a heat socket fusion tool. If you need this kit or any other geo supplies, check out geohydrosupply.com. Use discount code TADDY10. Let's go!